Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We are coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the National Investment Banking Association Conference right here in New York City, 2012. Fred Newcomb, folks, Newcomb and Company, and we're going to do a Wall Street view on today's market. Fred, as always, welcome to SNN Live. Good to have you.
Thank you, Shelley. It's always a pleasure to be on SNN Live. It's just a treat for me, and I love the way you look at the market.
Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, this man's been on before, and he's been right. That's all I'm going to tell you. Come on and tell me.
Okay, where we're at today, a year ago, remember, we asked the question, why was there a sell-off in Europe? And it's because the markets were achieving balance against the credit. This time around, people are asking, why are the markets going up and why are they going down? Well, it's a different world now. The markets are anticipating growth here in this country and abroad, but they're also anticipating some uncertainties with things that are happening abroad. So the market is positioning itself, and some of the adjustments that you're seeing today are due to what will be the year-end sell-offs that are normal for fund managers to lock in their profits at the end of the year. But also this time around, there's going to be an expiration of the tax benefit of a lower capital gains tax of 15%, which after the first of the year will increase 20% to a 35% tax. People are going to want to lock in those capital gains, and therefore there'll be a stock sell-off at that time if it is not being presaged now. It's a new marketplace. It's a lot different, and the market is thinking, and to some degree, how can we sustain the 12% capital growth we've had year after year in the stock market? Maybe we can't do it. So the investor is shifting himself to look at income or direct microcap companies where they can get the direct return versus the overall stock benefit, which may not be there. Basically, investors are going to be trading among themselves. They're going to be states are going to be trading with states, and investors and states are going to trade internationally to get the benefit that exists around the world, so that people are going to be investing in a basket of currencies. They're looking to gold. They're looking for protection on oil, for instance, and commodities. And they're trying to manage what will be a different environment where some people believe there are uncertainties in the direction, and it's not a personal political choice of either party. It's a question of the mathematics.
So what do you do with your money?
You take your money and you look to where you can benefit from it, for instance, in a spread of currencies. This was advised to the Senate by some top people at Rand.
You're recommending the Forex market?
I'm recommending the Forex market. I'm recommending gold with a bullion base, and I'm recommending the direct investment into oil where you get the depreciation allowance, and where with some devices you can, and we've got one coming up, where some devices you can benefit from the tax deduction of all the income up to 100% of your investment in a direct drilling program. Not exploration, developmental. If you see an oil well, drill beside it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to agree with him. As a matter of fact, you don't even know if you should or not until you read him. So let's get your website out there. Fred, tell them where to go.
The website is www.newcombandco.com. NEWCOMBANDCO.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard a mouthful. That was today. What's going on tomorrow? You find it at newcombandco.com.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
I appreciate it. Great.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.